What a fantastic morning. I was saying, Samuel Kwaba, I'm not sure I could even say that I was so well. I'm not sure now what the Asia Concordia at 7 April. Now, ya na a basia. One here now, what is in Subi or be a numbi so Conumbi. Now, coffee some dear bro. While I'm not sure now what a papa. No, na, you bet me see a boakase, no more. No, libi no la balaba. Of course, one no more there now. Wallow. Voila. Yada man se samo ken ho na yada won so wase se wa join him. Sergio Manucho Bernard Padibo train producers now. You better say na yede afi the UEFA Nations League across Europe and then results to team say yes Saturdays will be back. So Portugal Jan so Poland by 3-1. England are recover from that defeat also against Greece, abebo Finland by 3-1. Norway kwawe koluzu to Austria and Greece ball Ireland by 2-0. Young side games demo. See call. Yeah, and a Belgium and France never a big game on any day. And of course Italy as soon as Israel best Germany, Holland. Match and happy. Iceland, Turkey, Georgia, and Albania winning games there. Basel or the Nations League. War other games in Africa. What you say? Yes, Africa. They're so tired, but. Mame Entin Simo were the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Catch it. While I'm not sure water, one more and I came one of pair, dear good months of air brew. Now, yeah, camp Black Stars and Saminoka, so much touch it down in Tripoli about your home and a Dutch Ghana and Sudan for the second leg of the game. They are born what they have qualifying or born in some get to Accra. Now you go PM Hono to say yes. The Kanka Kone and Rantan and some to make it come Hokakra. Coach Otoado say the course to Accra Sports Stadium or GD or no, and the boys think now I get you over eta or more research on being a win or the Amagana.
Even when I was playing, to get success, it's always on the other side of fear, so I fear God, but that's it, and for me, I'm fearless, and if our players will get or have this attitude and show the passion and they will be fearless, then I'm very, very sure that the probability is high, very high that we win. Nevertheless, and this is also, I think, why we love football. In football, anything can happen. I've played so many games also as a player, and I said it before, we played with Borussia Dortmund, we were German champions, and then we played against the 5th division team and we lost. So I know anything can happen, but the probability that we lose is very, very low, I think, if we do our homeworks, if we are concentrated, if we play together as a team. And yeah, I think if the players, and those are the most important persons, if they fulfill and work together as a team and fulfill what our plan is and our tactics against Sudan.
Right, waiting some coach authority to just say Bibiako, sending my planning on it. Yeah, you bet me and winning against Sudan. Coach Ignatius of Fosu, one of the assistant coach in Sudan, or also GD, so I'm betting me at Chagana show more fee.
The good thing for us is the first thing is that we have James Kosiapia, who has enormous experience. So he tries to keep it together. And for the boys, I always say that they want to do it for their country, because for now, as it stands now, they are the only hope. They are the only people who bring joy to the country. So they look back at home and they want to fight, because there are those out there fighting for the lives of others. So they are also here to fight for the joy of others, and that's what is keeping us going. With nationality and professionalism, whether I coach in Ghana or I coach elsewhere, it's about profession. If I'm not a professional, you will say that, oh, look at that coach, he's not a professional enough. Maybe after that you go to cry, but it's part of the deal. It's not every day that you will be happy. It's always a bittersweet situation. So that's it. It is what it is.
Right, it is what it is. And on Coach Ignatius of Fosun somewhere out here to Eja. Now, you kind of sound on Sabre Yansha after 3 games, Senate table, this city, Yansha Babia Canada. And yes, 9 points for Angola, second year Sudan. And Ghana, 2 points. Niger, 1. And Yashe say, Kwambia son, when the bit me qualify, Akopimo. And 3 more games to go. Top 2 ever qualify. One year first, second, forget it. Fakra. And he say, and a table no is here. after 3 games. But qualifiers back also there's Gambia, Madagascar, Kenya, and Cameroon, and Togo, Algeria, Zimbabwe, and then Namibia, and the Badwam in the AFCON qualifiers. Shane Sumami, Wala Natural Mineral Water can hold in Savano, Ebro and Nano Pay. Yakan we the Emrem of Fini the Ghanaian Premier League this weekend at so match day 6 young Young Apostles Tnafi House of Oak win number yes has coach Young Apostles Bomokaminwa I'm a team of back when of course Accra Lions breaking Chelsea 1-1 young Correscent those games in the sequence.
Of course. Wow. Oh wow. For Young Apostles.
My description for this goal is absolutely wow. Brilliant 10. Look at the distance, look at the angle, look at the technique. Brilliant. The goalkeeper was totally beaten. What a quality of a player. My goodness. My oh my.
Beyond goalkeeper Daniel Afu.
Right, we need a course so that particular game. Accra Lions breakum Chelsea 1-1. Yanshada results a course win again in Premier League over the weekend. Kashan is Okorokwa Mobo Omukupimo America. Yes, Hodian is so Fanase Ghana select side. But the Baba can want some Koran House of Oak. Some matters there and to me, Sansa in Sukesia Etoye. Our Samana boy Basaki Holy Stars winning 1-0 over Karela and after Nations and the Gold Stars game here 1-1. Adriana Stars winning 2-0 over Dreams and Bichim United the ball Mediema. But 2 goes to 0 and we and Sunday and Shane Sunday and Saturday the Ghanaian Premier League in the whole and Semono Shannon Sumama says send I didn't kakakoro kosi kwanyere one pe baby na ebe ha dwen pa eti mehwe na mamwo sene table no esi etie ewo Ghanaian Premier League demo now as of Oak by virtue of win munyan into more froba kakra say on top of the table still be Biani Gold Stars 12 points Asante Kotoko second 11 and after so no Mediema third with 11 points Brekum Chelsea 4-10 and a Nations Tosu with 10 points into winning Sunday here oh shwe I so focus so Tosu ngotwe wo 8 points into Kasha and so if I'm winning Sunday table in in the Ghanaian Premier League and yaka Kotoko Semono no what him say na say when DC United ya can see back up him so wo America na kiki afi na Kotoko place ni nwaira Yehom Sudan for me no Kotoko sign omo no afi ye hwe omo yehom now Kotoko already no more so that inti atam the visa players be na de omo eka ho and afi so no some 1 or 2 players be wa America no e de omo kan Kotoko ho and omo so ye de no Ghana select side into bracket Kotoko and omo ade aka say the pem so win by and so when fans say Kotoko 2 DC United 1 America they course so ma wia yeah, the actually seminar and so Badwam was saying the latest from the camp of the Black Stars. So yeah, the one seminar Badwam. Sergio Manocho, Bernard Paributre, and the producers Wala Natural Mineral Water at the Messia Concon and Ameden Seminar de Ebrewo. Kijuan Kasani, Erica C. Dubwedi. Sabre the Apomodion Seminar Twaso, my Sister Sandy be a guy so warm me up. The Akina Betwaso, because I have a